Welcome to my Sitecore Diaries, your ultimate guide to digital experience excellence, your go-to channel for all the things in Sitecore and .NET. I'm your host Jitendra Ghanekar. I'm in Sitecore Technology MVP 2024. So this is the video from the XM Cloud. We are going to have a topic portal administration. It is a very small topic. So we will see how the administration work in the XM Cloud. I given all my social media handles on the screen. You can follow me. You can follow me on the LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So let's start today's topic. XM Cloud app roles. So what are those different XM Cloud app roles? So we have a admin role. So XM Cloud user account always the highest role in the XM Cloud app. So admin is always the highest role in the XM Cloud app. You cannot delete this or remove this account from the XM Cloud. If you want to remove this, you must have removed the team member or change their role from the Sitecore Cloud portal. So we have a Sitecore Cloud portal. We have seen in last videos there is something called Sitecore Cloud portal app, where you can manage complete organization level things. It is at the top level, and then from the site in the Sitecore Cloud portal app you can manage your roles. So and also you can manage the different composable softwares or offering provided with the Sitecore. So if you have a team member in there, then only it can access the XM Cloud app also. So if you want to remove the administrative role of a XM Cloud, either you have to remove that team member from the Sitecore Cloud portal, or you have to change the role in the Sitecore Cloud portal. You cannot directly remove the admin from the XM Cloud app itself. So another role is a user role. So we have two roles. One is admin, another is a user. So XM Cloud user account has a content author role by default. So it's a content author role, and you can assign security roles and assign rights to their account. So as admin, you can assign those roles. So XM Cloud authentication and user creation is handled by the Sitecore Cloud portal. So Sitecore Cloud portal only handle the XM Cloud authentication and the user creation. If you want to add someone as a user in XM Cloud, you cannot directly do that via the XM Cloud. What you have to do is you have to invite the user from the Sitecore Cloud portal organization and give them access to your XM Cloud app. So once the user get the invitation and they accept it, and when they try to log in into the XM Cloud, then their user account is get created into the XM Cloud app. So this is how XM Cloud users are getting created. So create user, assign role, delete user role, security editor, access management, everything will remain same for the what you see in the Sitecore XP. Okay, so all the conflicting rules will remain same as XP. Now organization role. So you have an organization admin, which is the highest role in the hierarchy. So first, what are the things which he can do? Organization admin, he can do a user management, he can do a SSO, MFA, he can access the XM Cloud deploy app, he can create a support case. And the organization owner is also has a similar kind of access. Okay, so this is also different role which have a similar access what admin has. So you can see all the access like user management, manage SSO, MFA for organization, access the XM Cloud deploy app, create a support case. So other than that, it also can assign and remove the organization owners. Okay, so other owners, so not you cannot remove himself, but other owners can be removed by the this organization owner rules. And then third is organization user. So it has access to the app that organization admin or organization owner assigns to them. So organization admin and organization owner will assign the access to the user. So that can be a different apps, like you have a XM Cloud app, you have the pages, component builder, etc., or maybe you have the different composable integration that app you can give them access. So organization admin and organization owner can provide the access to the app to the user. So it can assign up to 25 apps. So 25 apps can be assigned to a user. Now let's see what are the different activities done by the portal administration. Some of things we have already seen. So when your Sitecore Cloud Portal organization has been set up, you can invite team members and give them access to organization apps. So Sitecore Cloud Portal from where you can send an invitation to your team members. To invite a team member or organization, you must have an organization admin or organization owner role. So organization admin and organization owner only can send an invite to the team member. Organization user cannot send a invite to a team member to join the app, to join or create a user in the Sitecore Cloud Portal. In the Sitecore Cloud Portal, a team member with an organization admin or organization owner role can change the organization and app access to other team members. So admin and owner can change the organization as well as the access of the app for the team members within that organization. Organization role determines if you can invite others to organization, assign roles and perform other admin tasks, whereas app roles determine which apps a team member can access and their role in each app. Each Sitecore product has a unique set of app roles. People with the organization owner or organization admin role automatically have the highest role in all the app in the organization. So if you have a organization or admin role in the Sitecore portal, then you will have the highest role in the app in the organization. Organization admin can only be removed via the cloud portal. So you can remove the administration admin only via the cloud portal, not through the app. Alright, we are done for today. It is a very small topic about the administration of the plus XM Cloud. But this is a very important topic for your XM Cloud certification exam. There will be a questions from this section regarding how the access is done, how the user is getting created. So those be clear about that is going to help you in this XM Cloud certification. So if you like the video, please click on the like button to share this video with your friends and colleagues. And if you are new to the channel, then please do subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell to get latest update. Thank you. Thanks for watching.